In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use ClickUp for ticketing. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top left right here. Click on Create and go to Templates. Then, on the search node, type in Ticket. From here, you should see all the possible templates that you can use for your help desk ticket or other ticketing supporting systems. So choose one of those. Let's choose this and let's use this template. So first, let's add a list name. Then the location of where you want to put it. Then we have the option to either import everything or customize the import items. For the start and due dates, we can import it as is or we map the dates. And lastly, we can also choose whether to include the archive task. So now we use this template. Now let's wait for ClickUp to publish our newly selected template. Once it's done, it should show right here on your left panel and automatically open. Now, you can use this ticketing system. As you can see, there's even a getting started guide that can help you to navigate through this template. We have our ticket list for the task list, a Kanban board for the ticket priority, another Kanban board for the ticket categories, another one for the ticket statuses, and of course, a ticket submission form. Now, since you chose this template, and it is for free, you now have free access to customize this according to how you need it. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.